Think about the last time you bought a car. You researched it, test drove it, negotiated the price. You know this car. So here is a question most owners never think to ask. How many of the features you trust every day were designed for the manufacturer's benefit, not yours? Over 12 million vehicles suffer early engine damage in the US every year. Not from bad driving, from features that came standard. Features you probably have turned on right now. We are going through 23 of them. The ones burning out your starter. The ones that make your car a theft target in under 30 seconds. And at the end, hidden settings most owners never find. Some of these you have probably already suspected. By the end, you will know for certain. Feature 23. Auto Start Stop. Think about your morning commute. How many red lights? Multiply by 5 days, 50 weeks. Every restart from cold rotation adds to a finite cycle count. Starters were built for around 50,000 starts over a lifetime. Auto Start Stop can hit that before 50,000 miles. Fuel savings, about $15 a year. Starter replacement, up to $700. The off button is on your center console. Look for it today. Feature 22. Lane Keep Assist. On back roads, you move toward the shoulder to give a cyclist room, and the car nudges back. Lane Keep Assist was tested on clean highways, not country roads where the paint has half faded. There it misreads shadows and fights steering moves you made on purpose. You already know how to read that road. Turn it off when you leave the highway. Feature 21. Adaptive Cruise in city traffic. If Adaptive Cruise has ever braked harder than expected, and if you have used it in the city, it almost certainly has, the radar built for highways is struggling with real street complexity. It misreads turning vehicles and parked cars at the sensor edge. You already knew this felt off. Now you know why. Feature 20. Auto High Beams. You crest a hill at night, your high beams are on because the system activated them 30 seconds ago. The driver coming the other way gets blinded. The camera controlling this was calibrated in a lab. It does not know you just crested a hill with no sightline. You do. One flick puts you back in control. Feature 19. Daytime running lights while parked. When is the last time you could not see a full-sized car in broad daylight? Many vehicles keep these lights drawing current while parked. Zero safety benefit, continuous drain. You have probably already thought, why are those on? That instinct was correct. Feature 18. Blind spot monitoring in heavy rain. Your blind spot sensors sit inside the rear bumper, where mud and road spray collect first. Grime creates two failure modes: false positives and silent failure, where the system stops detecting without telling you. You think you have coverage, you do not. Turn it off in heavy weather. Feature 17. TPMS Reset Reminders. You inflate the tires correctly, reset the system, and the light stays on. After it cries wolf a few times, you start ignoring it. And the time it actually matters, a slow leak at highway speed, you have already trained yourself not to look. Always verify with a physical gauge. Feature 16. Keyless Entry Auto Unlock. 2 people, 2 devices. 30 seconds. One amplifies the signal from your key fob sitting on your kitchen counter. The other stands at the car. It unlocks, it drives away. No alarm. No trace. Disable auto unlock in settings. Store keys in a signal blocking pouch. You have been one $30 relay device away from this. Now you will not be. Feature 15. Rain Sensing Wipers. Think about the last time your wipers activated when it was not raining. Entering a tunnel. Going through a car wash. That is the sensor misreading light changes as precipitation. You know when it is raining. Manual control works every time. Feature 14. Gesture Controls. How many times did you use gesture controls on purpose versus by accident? The interaction delay is longer than a button press. Your attention stays off the road for longer, not shorter. Your instincts were right. Turn it off. Feature 13. Seatbelt Shine Off-Road. Always belt up on public roads. But farmers moving equipment on private land, mechanics in a garage, the chime adds nothing in those situations. The disable sequence is in your owner's manual. Understanding your car's settings is what informed owners do. Feature 12. Fake engine sound. Have you ever driven and thought, that does not sound quite right? Real engine sound carries information. Pitch tells you when to shift. Load tells you when you are working the drivetrain too hard. When that sound is software generated, that feedback is gone. Turn it off. Feature 11. Ambient lighting at night. Interior ambient lighting adds reflections, dashboard glow, and LEDs in your peripheral vision. None of it helps you see the road. Drop it to minimum after sunset. Feature 10. Automatic climate control. The temperature sensor sits near the floor, not where you actually feel comfort. It reads its position, not yours. So it overcorrects constantly. Your body is a better sensor than the sensor. Manual control, set once, gives you consistent output. Feature 9. Cylinder deactivation. If you have ever felt a subtle vibration at highway speed you could not trace, you have already noticed this one. Deactivated cylinders get reduced oil pressure during off cycles. On some engines, that leads to premature wear before 80,000 miles. Now, you will know exactly what that vibration was. Feature 8. Speed-sensitive volume. Do you adjust volume more than once per trip? Most people do. Speed-sensitive volume adjusts by speed, not actual cabin noise, meaning you chase the right level the whole drive. Set it once and leave it. Feature 7. Eco mode at highway speeds. If you have ever pressed the accelerator to merge and felt the car hesitate, you have already experienced what eco mode costs you in that moment. That half-second delay is the whole margin you had. Eco mode earns its name in city traffic. On the highway, turn it off. You probably already do this instinctively. Now you know you were right to. Feature 6. Auto Park Assist. Most drivers parallel park in 8 to 15 seconds. Auto Park Assist takes 30 to 60 with a gap requirement that eliminates most real spaces before it even starts. The skill you already have is better than the technology. Stop letting a feature undermine it. Feature 5. Traction control in snow and mud. If you have ever been stuck and pressed the accelerator harder with no result, you already understand this. Getting unstuck needs wheel spin. Traction control prevents exactly that. Find your TC defeat button before you need it. Feature 4. Always-on voice assistant. Is your car's microphone active right now? Not when you use it, right now. Most owners do not know. In most vehicles, it is continuously listening. Malilia's Privacy Not Included report ranked connected cars as the worst category for data privacy, worse than smartphones. Disabling continuous listening gives back something simple, the expectation that your conversations are your own. Feature 3. Automatic OTA updates. If something in your car changed without notice, that was likely an update you never authorized. Unlike a phone, you cannot roll back vehicle software. Switch to manual updates. Apply the same logic you use with your computer. Feature 2. Aggressive lane departure warning. You move left to give a large truck room, and the warning fires. Not because you made an error. Because you made a correct decision the system could not understand. A safety feature that fires for good driving trains you to tune it out. And the system you tune out is the one that misses the real alert. Reduce sensitivity for mixed roads. Feature 1. Remote start in enclosed spaces. One final question. If your car started running in your attached garage right now, would you hear it? Modern engines are quiet. If you used a smartphone app, there is no confirmation at all. Just a car running in an enclosed space while you go about your morning. Carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless. In an attached garage, it seeps under interior doors into your living space before anyone knows. Remote start is safe outsides. In any enclosed structure, disable it permanently. This is not a feature to tune. It is a feature to turn off. You have probably used it without thinking twice about where the car was. Most people have. After today, you will not. Pick 3 features from this list and check them today. Not all 23. 3. Find the settings. Make the change. The next video covers the hidden settings your manufacturer buried, features that extend engine life in ways the dealership never explained. click right there. And if this gave you something useful, subscribe.